Amplify your affiliate marketing through these expert ideas. How often have you used a computer just to purchase something? When you have made a purchase online, you probably helped an affiliate marketer make some money. Using videos to help promote your affiliate service is a great way to increase traffic. It's not really hard work either. All you need is to shoot a single video, and then you can post it on countless viral sites, send it via email, and spread the word all over the net. A little bit of work goes a long way with video marketing. Find a quality affiliate program to work with. They should provide you with the tools that you need to be successful. They will offer things like banners, recommendation letter templates, and text links, and teach you which techniques work the best under different circumstances. These things will make it easier for you to get started. Before picking an affiliate marketing partner, you should visit their website to get a feel for their online business. Would you personally buy from their website? Is their website easy to use? Would visitors to your website feel good or bad about being directed to the advertiser? You can learn plenty about potential partners just by checking their site. A great affiliate marketing tip is to make sure the company you're going to do business with can provide you with information regarding how well their affiliates are doing. It's important to know how much money their affiliates are making, and if they don't offer you any of this information, it's probably a good idea to check out another company. As long as you can understand how affiliate marketing works and take the steps necessary to drive people to products, you can use this information to your advantage and build a legitimate business. It might not be the easiest thing you've ever done, but it very well could be the most lucrative. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.